says you are not supposed to be afraid. Will train you so much कि दूसरे आदमी को तुमसे डर लगेगा. ठीक है ना? ऐसा होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए कि डर जो है तुम ऐसे चलो और लोग ऐसे साइड साइड में भाग जाए. ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए ना लाइफ में. So that is what a forge will make you. Okay, next. So now because we have come to the school, okay, and your career is at stake. After 12th class, most of you will pass out, and you must have thought something in your life. कोई कॉलेज जाना चाहता होगा, कोई बिजनेस करना चाहता होगा, कोई दूसरा काम करना चाहता होगा. Everyone has got a choice. But what we thought with your vice principal ma'am, that you also should know that there is something called as Indian Army, Indian Air Force, and Indian Navy also, where you can be part of it. Okay. After 12th also you can become part of it. After graduation also you can become part of it. Few years back there was no women in armed forces, but because of women like you who were elder to you, now the women also joining armed forces, both in officer category as well as Agniveer also. Okay, so we will discuss. I'll make you understand and then you ask question again. Okay. करियर तो बहुत सारे, बन तो कुछ भी सकते हैं. अगर मैं दोबारा से 12th क्लास में होता तो मैं क्या बनता. ओके, तो उसी तरह से आज तुम्हारे पास ये सोचने का मौका है कि नाउ यू हैव गॉट एवरीथिंग इन योर हैंड, व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम एंड हाउ मच यू वांट टू वर्क. ओके, सो आफ्टर 10+2 और ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन यू कैन बिकम एन ऑफिसर. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. The first is National Defence Academy, which already somebody has answered. So you will join in 3 branches after 10+2. You can join flying branch, you can join technical branch, and you can join ground duty branch. अब वो चश्मे वाले लोग बोलेंगे भाई मेरा तो चश्मा, मैं कैसे चढ़ूंगी, दिखाई नहीं दिया, वाइपर से साफ करना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो उनके लिए ऑप्शन है कि दे कैन जॉइन टेक्निकल ब्रांच. ओके, somebody says कि no I am very good in law, मैं तो पहले लॉयर बनूंगी. So you can join as a lawyer also in Air Force. You want to become a medical officer, you can join Army, Air Force or Navy. You want to become an accounts officer, कि मुझे हिसाब करने में बड़ा मजा आता है, you join that. You can become an administrative officer. Okay, all careers are open for all of you. Only thing is you have to give some exam which you see. Next. So hold on here.
Please take a screenshot for your future reference.
It is flying branch. So if you want to become, there are 3 types of aircraft. Okay. First is called fighter aircraft. Second is called transport aircraft, and third is called helicopter. Fighter aircraft क्या होता है? बेटा टेंशन मत लो, I'll explain to you everything. What is fighter? Fighter are those aircraft which are utilized for fighting. Okay, इसके अंदर में passengers cannot be there. इसके अंदर में हम सामान नहीं ले जा सकते, लोगों को नहीं ले जा सकते. So you have heard about Rafale? सुना है कभी कभी? Okay, you must be hearing MiG-29. Okay, you will be hearing about Sukhoi 30. All these are what? Fighter aircraft. मतलब you have to fight with enemy. So there will be one pilot or a navigator with him or her, and they will be utilized for fighting. Here the speed is very very high. What is the second? Transport. All questions to be replied by me. Nobody will talk with each other. What is transport aircraft? हवाई जहाज में सब लोग ट्रैवल किया, किसी ने एयरपोर्ट पे गए थे. सो जो एयरक्राफ्ट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? तो उसी तरह जैसे मैडम ने बताया C-130J, AN-32, ओके, IL-76 ये नाम है, ठीक है ना. तो ये सारे के सारे जहाज जो है जिसके अंदर में हम पैसेंजर्स को भी ले जा सकते हैं और सामान को भी ले जा सकते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट. तो पहला हो गया फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट, दूसरा हो गया ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट, तीसरा क्या है हेलीकॉप्टर। हेलीकॉप्टर तो देखा तो होगा सबने, है ना। तो हेलीकॉप्टर में शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस में हमें ट्रैवल करना है, कोई आदमी बीमार हो गया, ठीक है, किसी को इवैक्यूएट करना है, तो हम 6 लोगों को 8 लोगों को हेलीकॉप्टर से ला सकते हैं। व्हाट इज योर क्वालिफिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड? साइंस स्टूडेंट, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड मैथ्स, एज 16.5 to 19.5, जेंडर मेल और फीमेल, and it will take 4 years to become an officer, 3 years of training and 1 year at Air Force Academy. Anybody who is more than 19.5? So you all fit into this category? Okay, so you have to give an exam of NDA which is there in January and August. उसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट आता है न्यूज़पेपर में भी, ऑनलाइन भी आता है, and all these things are nowadays फिर ऑनलाइन में। Okay? अभी जो है NDA has been recently opened, hardly 2 years back. Prime Minister Modi ji has announced it. So now there are only 20 seats there, although it is more than 400. But now the girls have also started coming after 10+2. Okay. अभी recently, while I was coming, I came to know that one girl from Sainik School, Nagrota, has now joined, who was a day boarder, not a hostler. Now she is 13th rank in NDA. Okay, so now from Sainik School also the girls like you, same age, okay, so she will be joining NDA there. So you also can be there. Understood? Next. Second is ground duty branch. Make technical branch. So you can be a, एक होता है AEM, Aeronautical Engineer Mechanical, एंड एक होता है एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। आपको इंजीनियरिंग की पढ़ाई करने नहीं जाना है, पढ़ाएंगे हम, ठीक है ना। सो वी विल टीच यू। सो व्हाट यू विल रिक्वायर? सेम क्वालिफिकेशन, एवरीथिंग सेम। नाउ आफ्टर एनडीए यू विल गो टू एयरफोर्स टेक्निकल कॉलेज। तो आपको इंजीनियर बनने का शौक है, यू वांट टू बिकम इंजीनियर, वी विल मेक यू इंजीनियर। ओके, ज्वाइन अस। अंडरस्टूड? सेम थिंग। तो मम्मी पापा के पैसे क्यों खर्च करने हैं? एक पेपर देना है, दिमाग लगाना है। ओके, हाँ, फॉर सम डेज यू हैव टू लीव द लिपस्टिक्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट। नाउ कमिंग टू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और लॉजिस्टिक, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज ATC एंड FC। इसका मतलब है एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर एंड फाइटर कंट्रोलर। जब आप एयरपोर्ट पे जाते हो तो आपने एक ऐसे बड़ा सा वो देखा है कुछ, उसके ऊपर कुछ ऐसे गोल गोल सा घूमता रहता है। सो दैट इज द रडार, ओके, बाय विच दैट इज एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर टॉक्स टू द पायलट। ओके, और सिमिलरली कभी सोचा है कि जब जहाज इम्फाल से उड़ता है और दिल्ली जाता है तो वो बीच में उसको कैसे पता चलता होगा कि वो दिल्ली जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है? कोई रोड तो है नहीं हवा में, तो हाउ ही नोज ही हैज टू गो देयर? उसको होता होगा ना, पता चला ऐसे चलाया, चाइना की तरफ निकल लिया, या उसका पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया। थिंक हाउ ही मस्ट बी ट्रैवलिंग। सो देयर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड एज फाइटर कंट्रोलर। सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रडार्स व्हिच आर देयर इन बिटवीन इंडिया एंड दे कॉन्टैक्ट एट दी एयरक्राफ्ट फ्लाइज एट व्हाट हाइट। पता है हवाई जहाज किस हाइट पर उड़ता है? अप्रॉक्सीमेटली गेस, फीट, okay, so it is around 50 to 70,000 feet a normal aircraft flies. Okay, understood? तो आप इतने ऊपर में उड़ रहे होते हो तो somebody has to talk to you. Logistic means जो राशन लाना, हथियार खरीदना, हथियार की डिलीवरी करना, all these things are part of non-tech branch of this. Next. अब यहाँ पर जाएंगे कैसे? जाना भी तो एक अब सवाल आना चाहिए ना कि बन तो जाएंगे बाबू, हम बनेंगे कैसे? तो पहला एग्जाम होगा आपका AFCAT का। ओके, सो विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट। देन बाय NCC ऑल्सो यू कैन ज्वाइन। आपके स्कूल में भी NCC नहीं है, सो मैडम इज प्लानिंग टू ब्रिंग NCC। मे बी यू विल नॉट यूज इट, बट इफ यू गो टू कॉलेज देयर इज अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी देयर विल बी NCC। प्लीज ज्वाइन देयर। If you get some certificate you can go directly for giving SSB. आप वहां जाके सीधा SSB दे सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. अगर आप फ्लाइंग ब्रांच के लिए जा रहे हैं, अब वहां पर लिखा था PC. PC मतलब परमानेंट कमीशन. मतलब आप जैसे मेरा एयरफोर्स के साथ रिलेशन 20 साल का, आफ्टर 20 years I can leave. Understood? But minimum I have to serve for 20 years. Madam was a short service commission officer, SSC. So the contract is for 10 years. It can be extended also. Okay. So the choice is with you. Understood? So for NCC, what we will require is C certificate. There are 3 certificates, A, B and C. तो जनरली कॉलेज में हम वहाँ पर जब आपको ट्रेनिंग कराएंगे तो आपको C सर्टिफिकेट तक पहुँचा देंगे. आपको मैथ्स में 50% चाहिए और फिजिक्स दोनों में क्लास 12 में. होपफुली आपकी पढ़ाई इतनी अच्छी हो रही है दैट ऑल ऑफ यू विल गेट 50%. ओके, आई प्रिज्यूम 90%. ठीक है ना, पर तुम बोलोगे ठीक ठीक लगा लो, सो विल कम समवेयर टू 80%. ओके, देन एज is which is given because that is after graduation, not after 12th. Okay, so it will be 20 to 24 years.
I would just like to add here, my entry was NCC entry. So what sir is saying is, I have done just this same journey. I completed my 11th, 12th with arts. I did not have maths and physics, and in those days NDA option was not open for girls. The only option that was there was graduation or post-graduation. So I completed my graduation. I did my, from after 12th in arts, I did my BA with English as honor subject. Then I also did MA. I also did MPhil. My entry was postgraduate entry in education. I wanted to join only these 2 branches. In Army, my first preference was intelligence, and in Air Force, my preference was education. So for me, the qualification was post-graduation. So I completed my NCC C certificate in A grade. After that, I went for my SSB. My first SSB, Army SSB, I made it in the SSB itself, but my name did not come in the merit list. So after you complete your SSB, there is a merit list based on your SSB performance and your medical performance, plus how many number of vacancies are there that time. So as sir is telling you now, in NDA there are only 20 vacancies for the girls. So at that particular time in intelligence branch there were only 50 vacancies, and the number of applicants was more than 5,000. So it was very difficult to come in the merit list. But then when I did my Air Force SSB, in my first attempt itself, I made the cut. And I went and joined the Air Force Academy. So this is a very good entry. You just have to complete your graduate. If at all you are not capable of completing NDA entry, then go for graduation. Do a normal graduation in any college in Manipur University, affiliated to Manipur University. Minimum 50 to 60%. That is the minimum you get. And do C certificate, NCC, and you go and join. You don't have to give any CDSE written exam, nothing. Just straight away SSB and you are there. So this is also a very good option.
From that ma'am's reply, another question should come to your head. What is this bloody SSB? अभी क्या है SSB? पता है किसी को? देखा सवाल ही नहीं पूछते हो तुम. Don't raise hand. SSB is Service Selection Board. Any test in this world, जितने भी तुम एग्जाम दोगे अभी, all the exams in 10th class, in 12th class, for engineering, for becoming doctor, for becoming IAS officer, IPS officer, wherever, everywhere your knowledge will be tested. क्या पूछेंगे? Knowledge. That is how good you are in maths, how good you are in science, how good you are in particular subject. तो क्या टेस्ट होगा आपका? मेमोरी का. जो SSB होता है, जो फौज होती है, फौज कहती है कि वी वांट टू टेस्ट योर पर्सनालिटी. क्या टेस्ट करेंगे आपका? है थी पागल लोग हैं. So they will test you for your personality, how good you speak, how confident you are, how smart you talk with your friend, how you work in group. That is what we are going to test you. Okay, so what we are testing? Your personality. This is the only organization in the world with test for personality. अभी दिखा है देखो 50% marks चाहिए बस, 60% ही चाहिए. We don't want 90%. We want 90% also. Okay, but don't bother about your marks. We are bothered about your personality. And you all understand what is personality? Not that you dress up and look smart. That is not personality. Okay, that will come to next. This is AFCAT. Okay. Most of you will not be able to go through NCC certificate. So for all of you, this is highly suggested. You have to get minimum 50% marks, that you are aware. You have to have a graduation or PG अगर आपका हो जाए. Your age is 20 to 26 years. Okay. And again, you can give AFCAT and join Air Force Academy or Air Force Training College, depending in which ब्रांच यू वांट टू डू. आप 1, 2, 3 ऑप्शन भी दे सकते हैं. वो ब्रांच हमारा बाद में तय हो जाता है. ओके. देन अगेन द सेम थिंग इज देयर. दिस इज फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड लॉजिस्टिक ग्राउंड ड्यूटीज. सो सेम एजुकेशन ब्रांच में आप जाना चाहते हैं तो यू हैव टू डू अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन विद 50% इन एनी डिसिप्लिन एंड 60% इन ग्रेजुएशन. 50% easy. सिर्फ कैफेटेरिया में जाके भी 50% ला सकते हैं. All if you can get done, go sip a coffee. By 3 years you will have 50% marks. Agreed? स्कूल में क्या खाना पीना कम मिलता है क्या? आवाज ही नहीं है लड़कियों में. अब तक तुम्हें तो मेरे स्कूल में हल्ला मचा रहे हो तो सर फट जाता है उनको चिल्ला. You are so quiet. So the general process is, जब आएगा तो पहले एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट आएगा, फिर आपको you have to go online. Now everything is online. You will do registration in upsc.gov. That you come to know. Okay. Once you pass that exam, written test. Once you pass the written test, then you will go for selection board, that is SSB. Then your medical will be conducted. And then your final merit will be made. Okay. अब बेनिफिट क्या है? क्यों बने हम ऑफिसर? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? हम अपनी दुकान खोलेंगे, हम अपना बिजनेस करेंगे, ठीक है ना? आई विल बिकम अ टीचर, आई विल बिकम अ लेक्चरर, ओके, आई विल बिकम अ एयर हॉस्टेस. Agreed? So I will tell you what is the benefit of joining. Once you will become a cadet, when you will join Air Force Academy or whatever, you will be given a stipend presently 56,100 rupees. Bad? Is it bad, anybody? Okay. And once you will become an officer, जैसे आप ऑफिसर बन जाओगे, so your salary will be approximately 90,000 to 1 lakh rupees. This is per month we are talking. Okay. And all of you can do it. It's not, and it will increase every year. Some DA will be there and it will keep on increasing your salary. Next. Okay. ये तो सिर्फ सैलरी था. अब आ जाओ, तनख्वाह के अलावा भी तो कुछ देती होगी सरकार. So if you are a flyer, you will given be a allowance. वो साफ से दिख नहीं रहा है, कितना है? 25,000. Okay, so per month, apart from your salary, you will be given flying allowance. If you are a technical person, you become engineer, you will be given technical allowance. हर साल you will be given clothing allowance. Okay, अभी तो मम्मी पापा से लेना पड़ता है ना clothing allowance. So there you will have your own allowance. If you will go to field, like you go to JNK sector, you go to Tawang, so you will be given field area allowance. If you become commando, you will be given special force allowance. If you go to Siachen, कोई जाना चाहता है? It's a glacier. Okay, you should travel there. Temperature is minus 30 degree to minus 50 degree. Okay, so you will be given allowance. You go on island. India में कोई island है? And geography is really bad. Please check.
Yes.
Very good, shabash. Good. Then, if you become a test pilot, the person who teaches, okay. Then engineer, then hard area allowance, remote locality allowance. Okay, like Manipur is a hard area. You have made it harder. Okay, so I'll get the hard area allowance. Okay, next. अच्छा, तो पैसे तो बहुत सारे हो गए, फिर छुट्टी भी तो चाहिए. So you get 60 days of annual leave and 20 days of casual leave.
This is all paid.
Okay, और इसमें छुट्टी में पैसे मिलते रहते हैं, बंद नहीं होते. Once you will get married, okay, so for your children also you get per annum educational concession. Okay, और जो घर मिलता है वो घर पहले से बना बनाया होता है, खुद बनाना नहीं होता. It is inside the area which Air Force unit will be there. As per your rank, you will be given the house. Furniture will already be there. Okay. आपका जो मेडिकल होगा वो आपके मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल में होगा. For your family also, and if your parents are dependent, they also will be treated in the military establishment only. दवाई भी वही देंगे और मारेंगे भी वही. ठीक है ना? बैड है. अब बताओ कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देती है इतना? Okay, and there is something called as canteen store depot. वो आपके सर बताएंगे कि क्या होता है. Okay, so there you get items like fridge, TV, dal, sabji, whatever at a cheaper rate. Okay, so factually it gives you a very comprehensive life with your a good salary package. Okay, with so much facilities for you. Only thing which we want is a good personality. We are not asking 90% marks from you. We are asking a girl or a woman, no, not a girl, sorry, a woman who has got a personality to take care not only of herself, of her team also. Because how we work in team. Okay? इसके अलावा आपको लीव ट्रेवल कंसेशन से माय होम टाउन इज इन Delhi, madam's hometown is in Pune, so she can go free of cost there, okay, by air and come back. If I want to go for studies, I want to do a PhD, I want to become doctor, so I can take a study leave. Okay, next. और ये उसके लिए है कि कल को कुछ हो गया, so there is some insurance cover also for us. So this is a GIS that is for serving officer like me. So my insurance, something happens to me, so my family will be given 1.25 to 1.1 crore and 50% of death cover for 100% disability. That you don't require to understand now. Next. These are loan also. Okay. तो अगर आपको घर बनाना है तो I can take a loan from my organization amounting to 75 lakh. ओके, अभी मेरा शौक चढ़ा कि मेरे को अपने लिए एक अच्छी सी कार करनी है. अब मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, सो आई कैन टेक अ लोन अप टू दिस मच अमाउंट. आई कैन टेक अ लोन फॉर कार ऑल्सो. आई कैन टेक अ कंप्यूटर लोन ऑल्सो. ऑब्वियसली सब वापस करना है, लोन है. ओके, ये मत सोचना फ्री में मिलेगा कि कार ले ली अब लेके चल दी मैं, ऐसा मत करना. लोन है, ओके, रिटर्न करना है, बट इंटरेस्ट विल बी वेरी लेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Okay, there is some welfare loan. मेरे को अपने बच्चे को, my daughter is to be taught in a good college or something, I require a loan. I can take up a loan also for that. Okay, next. This was about the officer. Okay, but everyone cannot become a. Okay, so now I am asking the question from people behind. You people have slept very well. ये पीछे बैठने वाले हैं. Get up. Tell about yourself. What do you want to become? Face off. Tell me. What do you want to become? Cabin crew. Why not the pilot? Why you want to serve anybody else? You are in class 12, 11. So you are a young girl. Why you want to do? You are smart. The pilot of a commercial flight is also a woman. Correct na? Dream big. Don't dream small. Small.
There is a question that after doing MBBS, how to get
Say loudly. मेडिकल के लिए see anybody who wants to become a doctor, there are two ways to join. One is the armed forces medical college. Okay, after 12th also you can give an examination and join armed force medical college, जैसे MBBS का होता है. Okay, that is in Pune. उसका मैं I have not brought the data, but if you go online you will get it. And otherwise you can do MBBS and then become a doctor. You can join Air Force or Army or Navy as a doctor. So the doctor is for all the three services same. Okay, तो वो जिस organization में जाते हैं उसका uniform पहने. Okay, but if you want to become a doctor, give examination of Armed Force Medical College. It is equally tough as an MBBS. Okay, but if you go there, same stipend, same facility. For 4 years you will study there, they will teach you everything and then you will join Indian Army, Air Force or Navy. Understood? Doctor?
So just to clarify, those who want to join after after you complete your 12th, you give your NEET, and with NEET you also give entrance exam for AFMC. So once you do that, after that, instead of say you get a seat here in JNMs or REMS, just like that you will get a seat in AFMC, Pune, the medical college in Pune. So 4 years you study, you get the degree of MBBS, you become a doctor, you are in uniform like him. So you get stipend every month, and after those 4 years you complete your degree. 5 years minimum service you do in Army, Navy, Air Force, wherever you want, and then you can leave or you can extend further your extension. Okay, after you do MBBS outside, then also you can join as a civil doctor, and same process. You can do 5 years. You don't like, you quit. You like, you continue. Yes. So whatever you want to become, you can become everything. You want to become a sportsman, you want to become a doctor, you want to become an engineer, lawyer, educationist. You can do everything in the Indian Air Force.
नीरज चोपड़ा कौन है?
Asian Games.
He is the Olympic medalist for javelin. He works in Indian Army. 80% of the medal holders who are in Olympic or Asiad are part of Indian Army, Indian Air Force or Indian Navy. So what madam is saying is adding to that.
We have a sports entry also. If
And
you are
cabin
a
crew.
national player.
We have got vacancy for cabin crew also.
Yes.
Okay. So don't bother. Join us. Okay.
Any other questions? Yes.
If there is no support from our family, is there any facility from government to work myself? If there is no support from our family, is there any facility from government to work myself?
Work yourself.
Yeah.
You have to just pass the examination, then why you have to work? You have to go under training.
There is no support from our family.
No,
You
have to
don't
just
need
give a
any
test.
support here. All support is your support. Just pass
See,
the
what we
exam.
want from you is,
No money required.
what we want, either you clear this ND exam, okay, and once you will come to us in say Air Force Academy, we will pay you 60,000. So then you can take care of your family even in training days. The very first day which will come, very first month, we will be paying you as a training. So say in March you pass the exam and in June you go to ND. So from the very first month, we will be paying you study.
Sir, I think she needs the attitudinal support.
Attitudinal
For
support.
all those whose families are not supporting, please feel free. We are here next 6 months. We can come and convince your families how safe the Indian Armed Forces are for all
Okay,
the girls.
so you repeat your question
the
again.
doubt in your
What is your
mind.
question?
There is no support from our family.
For
Sending her into the
like for what support? Support means
Support with money or anything?
No. They didn't
parents are not willing.
like.
So you want to join? So if you want to join, then please tell madam, okay, and invite us at your home. We'll have your food also. And you will convince your parents.
Rest all we convince your parents, okay? Yes.
You can
If
also
that is
join
so,
other
okay?
defense
Yes.
forces like army also you can join, and then
See, for a
maybe
woman-
also if you're
For a
if you're
woman,
afraid to
nowadays,
join Air Force,
the safest organization to work is Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. Because our system is our own family. Okay? Air Force is a way of life for us. It is not like a job. Understood? So once you will come, you can make your parents understand. Okay? Watch YouTube with them. YouTube पे बहुत सारे वीडियो है. So you can make them understand. Okay? But we all have to convince. Who is the last girl sitting? I like people who sit at last. I always used to sit at last. Kanji, you are in which class? 11. What do you want to become? Doctor of what? Eyes? Good, good, sit. How many of you are in class 12? So class 12, it is very, very important that you all decide now what you want to do. Okay, I am only talking about Air Force. You can join Army, you can join Navy, whatever you want to join. But make a decision. Okay, and do not set your goal at a low level. अपने आप ही सब कुछ आ जाता है. Okay, don't waste your time for small piddly thing and cry. और थोड़ा लड़ना झगड़ना शुरू करो.
For all those who want to know, if you want to start your preparation, now is the right time. Sir will be telling you about some books. Okay, you can take those books and you can start your preparation. Okay, so since you are all eligible for Agniveer as well as for NDA entrance exam, try both. Try both. If you like it, you can go ahead. Yes.
Anybody who wants to give NDA exam, please tell to ma'am. Okay, we'll come again and we'll help you out. कि हमको कैसे भरना है. From Senate school, lot of people will come and guide you. Okay, we all will do it for you.
There's no other better teacher
Because you are
than
doing all
her
this
for physics. Okay, we also take her help for our students. So you are all very much benefited. So you can do it yourself also.
No coaching.
You do it yourself.
कोचिंग क्या करना है? सेम जो अभी क्लास में स्कूल में आप पढ़ रहे हो, सेम क्वेश्चंस आर गोइंग टू कम. ओके, व्हेन द टाइम ऑफ एसएसबी विल कम, दैट इज द टाइम वी विल डिस्कस. ओके, anybody who is much more interested, please contact ma'am and then you can contact me. Okay.
Sir will explain.